Hello guys, best regards from Poland, Saba is here. What we gonna do today? I'm learning how to use spot welder, I don't know how to call it, AwithZ, model like... I'm sorry for my camera, I'm not good camera operator. Sorry, where is this? P60F, can you see it? P60F. Okay, we bought it. For which reason? In my opinion, our civilization is growing in terms of energy usage. You need to read about Kardashev scale. Each human, each representative of this, our civilization, human I mean, daily, is using daily more and more power. So what we are going today? We are going to do sandwiches. I want to learn how to do that, And what do we have? Like we have a copper, piece of copper, 0.3 millimeters piece of copper. I'm sorry, where is some measurement here? Can you see? Oh, mamma mia, 0.3.2. It is 0.3 millimeters. And what do we have here? Nickel, like 0.2, even 15, I think. But I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's say 0.15 millimeters of copper. And I'm going to use like 543. This is the power setup. It's like a little bit plus half of the power this device offers. And what we got not to do, why I'm carrying goggles, because the iskry, I don't know how to say iskry in Polish, are present when I'm doing a spot, when I'm welding, sorry for my pronunciation, sorry for my English. Let's do the plus protection, maybe one layer of plus protection. Of course, I'm using 0-volt battery for learning. I just did one 600 gear, a little bit, I think, too much power. And let's try with 550 gear power on the device. Oh, by the way, smacznego bon appetito. Pizza, did it by myself, still hot. Bon appetito. And we need energy everywhere. Electrical scooters, 3D printers that can be powered, by big power banks. By the way, I'm doing like flashlights, power banks. Sabalab is my company. Sometimes the TV will be powered by EPRP, Power Delivery Protocol 3.1, 240 watts. So we need a lot of light of battery, and again a lot of battery. Let's do the sandwich. Let's see how it keeps. And I'm stopping annoying you. And in 1 minute, I'm stopping annoying you in 1 minute. I just put on the battery this piece of metals, and let's have fun, together. The pedal is here. I'm not using point-to-point contact and then it starts. Let's see what will happen. 2 spots, 4 points, each 5 to 7 amperes of conductivity of Power. No, it's not power. It's I parameter voltage and the other one. Let's see. 5 minutes already. The film is going. Okay, I'm not using much force to push it down. Let's see. Okay, and this is one shot. And this will be another on the plus part of the battery. Another shot. Let's use the pedal. Can you see the e-screen? Mamma mia. I'm going to take some scissors. Okay, here we are. What we are testing, how it keeps together. I'm afraid to not touch because I'm not remember if this is really 0 volts battery or not. Okay, how to focus? Oh, it's good. I don't know. I'm not sure. You are the experts. You are the experts. You need to tell me. Is it okay? How to show you. I mean, I possibly could raise 50 gears up of the power of this device. Let's see how it did with 600 gear power. A little bit better, but I think we can raise even to 700 of the power. Yeah. Because we need power. Not sure what do you think about it. Let me know in the comments. And once again, all the best for you people from Poland. Peace and love is the answer. Remember, energy is everywhere, even inside of your body, in your heart. Cheers.